Dear colleagues, we are pleased to present our preliminary study of exploring the evolution of competences to apply digital technologies to the tasks of sustainable development of society. The progress of digital technologies contributes to the sustainable development by creating new values across all businesses and demanding a new set of digital competences. This statement led us to the research question: how to assess the quality and quantity of this set of competences in the digital era. DC should not be mistaken for computer or information literacy, since the use of DT is entirely different from the work of user with a personal computer or web services. Sustainable development supposes the people and companies to possess the competences to create innovations reliant on DT. Creativity, drive to innovate, is one of the components of DC next to the practical knowledge and cognitive abilities. Currently, DC are evolving from technical knowledge and skills of using TD to ability to innovate activities in industry. Technologies alone are not enough for reaching the sustainable development of society. DC are bridging DT and societal outcomes. Competence as knowledge and skills should be considered as characteristic of a subject. The implementation of almost any digital activity requires team efforts, a combination of team knowledge and skills. For purpose of sustainable development, the DC should be considered as characteristic of a team. The content of DC differs by industries or businesses too. For instance, the content of competence in applying VR to healthcare differs from education, building, or agriculture activity. Access to DT and DC to address industry challenges determine the achievement of sustainable development. For each line of business, there is a set of DC required to work with a certain DT or a group of them. The number of possible DC can be assessed as presented on the slide. Given the rapid improvement and creation of new DT, the number of competences is not fixed. If you map a set of DC into a matrix that can be studied by mathematical analysis, there is a huge potential for further research to identify the quantity and quality of DC for region, industry, and business, to find a proper business field for sharing or modifying DC, to develop the business intelligence system for DC management across the industry or region. Thank you for your kind attention.